Welcome to FreemanKelley Presents. FreemanKelley stands as a beacon of sophistication in the realm of hospitality, showcasing an unparalleled ability to elevate hotels through their representation of exclusive furniture brands like Decorator Industries. Decorator Industries is your premier destination for custom-crafted interior furnishings. With nearly 7 decades of experience, DI has become a world leader in manufacturing high-quality window treatments, bedding, and accessories for the hospitality and healthcare industries. Rooted in the Midwest, DI's commitment to superior craftsmanship and exceptional customer service ensures every project meets your highest standards. Their process begins in the design department, where their team collaborates with you to create a style that fits your vision perfectly. From fabric sourcing and precise measurements to custom embroidery and professional installation, DI manages every detail with care. DI's central production facility allows them to deliver your products quickly and efficiently. Discover their exquisite selection of custom decor, crafted to tell your unique story. Decorator Industries is dedicated to bringing your interior design dreams to life. Explore the possibilities with DI today. FreemanKelley's meticulous curation of quality brands such as DI represents an investment in the overall guest experience, enhancing a hotel's overall appeal and solidifying its position as a destination of choice. Visit our website to learn more. Welcome to FreemanKelley.